Discover how to get your ideas into the universe. With Gamma, you can create beautiful presentations, documents, web pages, and social media content in seconds with AI. In this video, we'll show you how to transform static PDFs into beautiful social media content in just seconds with AI. Let's dive into it. From your Gamma dashboard, click on Create with AI. There are three main ways of bringing your ideas to life with Gamma: generating with AI, pasting in text, and importing a file or URL. For this tutorial, we'll use import file or URL. Upload your PDF file, and Gamma will automatically scan and extract the content. Next, choose social as your format. Then click Continue. Gamma automatically scans and extracts the content of your PDF, generating an outline for your post. Here, in the prompt editor, you can choose Freeform to let AI distribute the content across the document automatically, or card by card to manually assign specific text to each card. Additionally, add, remove, or rearrange cards. Define your audience, tone, and language. Enhance your presentation with visuals by uploading your own images, sourcing them from the web, or generating illustrations using AI. And select the aspect ratio. Stories for vertical format, portrait for carousels, square for standard posts. Once your structure looks good, click Continue. With Gamma, you don't need to worry about design. Make your content look stellar with just one click by choosing from a wide range of professionally designed themes. If you want to apply your own brand, you can create a custom theme with your own logo, colors, and fonts. Watch our dedicated tutorial to learn how. Once you're happy with the look, click Generate to bring your social media content to life. Gamma takes care of the heavy lifting, but you're always in control. You can keep customizing your content by adding more components, like text, images, diagrams, charts, and engaging layouts. If you want to make edits almost as fast as you think, use Gamma's AI to rewrite, reformat, or refine your content and visuals instantly. Just describe what you want, and Gamma does the rest. To learn more about AI editing, check out our dedicated tutorial. Think it, make it. Truly that easy. When your social media content is ready, you have multiple sharing options. Present directly in Gamma with interactive features. Share with anyone via a link, or export as PNG images to upload them to any platform. Also, you have the option to publish your post directly to LinkedIn without leaving Gamma. You can even choose to export only selected cards, giving you full control of what to share. With Gamma, you can take your PDFs into the universe and turn them into polished professional social media content, fast, interactive, and ready to share with the world. Start for free at gamma.app and get your ideas out there. Don't forget to subscribe for more Gamma tutorials and tips.